Well, the first step's get rid of all the previous owner's bill collector mail. Here you go, return to sender. Alright, I'm gonna grab some 2x4s, hop back up on the roof, and block the rest of the hole off. These little guys are already really mad. They're hanging out in the gutters, trying to get in. They're watching us. So I'm just gonna screw these right through the roof since it's getting a new roof on the back anyway, and pull down that mesh. So I'll let you know how that goes. Fingers crossed. We've got our access holes. I'm gonna block that off, that's great, but there's also some kind of carnage. Like there's a gross bird foot there, just old, I don't know, and then like a ripped off wing. What is it? Like, what is this place? It's just terrifying.
So we found a different voice. That's Steve-O. Yeah. In the garage, we found a bunch of wood here that we're going to use to cover up gaps as well, because we're running out of this metal mesh, which is apparently really expensive.
So I have this side all screened off. Not sure if you can see the screening up there, just stapled into the wood. Had to use a few pieces. So before we go in, the electrical. Yeah, so I met the utility company here and this thing is way too high, so it needs to be brought down and pay them $1,200 just to hook this back up after my permits. But we have bigger plans for this place, and this is probably going to be totally gone, so let's get going.
Okay. All right, upstairs.
He's up there.
Yeah. So duck as you go by so that if he flies out, he doesn't crank himself on you.
That don't look right. Anyway. Oh, there's lots up here, bud. Oh, there's lots.
All right, I believe in you. We should have the tarp so they don't go this way. I'm gonna go get the tarp.
Oh my god, I can't go in there! Oh, that! Okay, here's the plan B. We need to cover ourselves in tarp and go in. Why are they so heavy? Oh my god, they're so loud!
No, don't go this way! Just go. Okay, they're calming down. No sudden movements. No sudden movements.
Okay, you ready for this?
Yeah?
Get out of here!
No.
Get out of here! Come on, bird! Don't be like that! Stand up! Come on, you go! There you go! Oh, that's good. Oh, you got downstairs! Son of a gun!
Yeah, some got downstairs.
Come on, you stupid thing! There you go, get outside! Pretty good! Come on! Up you go! No! Come on! Head your pigeon. No, you are a really dumb one. There you go. Now you got it. Alright, I don't know how we're going to get them out of there, because that's pretty confined. I'm going to come on, I'm just going to pick you up. I feel bad for this one. This one's really pathetic.
Yeah.
There you go, little birdie. Thank you.
Go slow.
I won't even throw you out the window in case you can't fly. You're just going to go out on the shingles. There you go.
Oh, poor little guy.
Bye-bye. You can sit out there. No, please get off. I know it's safe in here. I know. Come on, get off the... I don't want to hurt his leg.
Yeah.
Come on. There you go, big guy.
Yeah.
Another one.
All down in there? Oh, no.
No, there's some more. He went downstairs. He's gone.
Okay. Alright, so here's what we need to do. We need to check this room, seal off that downstairs hatch. I've covered up with some of this shit, right? Just a piece of drywall. Yeah. Okay. Well, watch. No, we did it. Hey, I'll put another one in here. Get out of here. Get out of here. No, get out of here. Be gone.
All right, so the second floor is clear. We got all the birds out. There was even a little guy, didn't really want to fly, had all his feathers. Just put him out the window nice on a rake. Maybe that was filmed, I'm not sure. It was a bit chaotic because we're trying to get them to the windows without injuring them. They're hitting the windows and then they're flying back at our faces. So what we've done now is there was a hole in the floor where they were going up and coming down. So we blocked that off. We put a tarp over the staircase. So now they're stuck now in the main floor and the basement. There's still a few left. So there's tons of them flying around the sky here right now. Looking. Look at this all here. They're just they're not happy about this eviction. So it's good adrenaline though. I don't love birds and I have no experience with them. I just obviously don't want to hurt the things if get them out as safe as possible so they can relocate not in my house.
Get him!
You got something to help me shoot them?
I need to get away from the door here. Hold on. Let's go to the other side, and I'll use this 2x4.
Yeah. Sounds good. It's probably covered in shit.
Oh, look, that big gap up there.
Where? That's
Oh, you got it matched, I see.
Yeah. You're trying to get out.
You shoot out. You go out the door. You go out the door.
Okay, let's get the windows open. This isn't working. We're coming up.
Yeah, he figured it out.
Is there any in here?
I saw one fly in there. Is there a window?
Oh, is there ever? Okay, let's yard this window out.
Okay.
Get it up. Poor bastards.
They're trying so hard to leave. They're mad.
Yeah, well, he keeps hitting the window. Okay, I'm gonna open the window.
Okay.
He's in the closet, so just leave him alone for a second.
Okay.
Don't want to hurt him.
Oh.
Shit, so he left.
This guy's trying to get. Oh, fucking Christ.
I'll tell you, here's the window.
Poor little guy.
Yeah, I feel bad. They're scared. You want to get that other window open?
Yeah. Sorry, little guy. There's the door. If you want to leave, because I'm going to the window.
How many are in here?
2. Yeah, get these. Come on, window.
You got a problem with this.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why are you doing this? Ah! Oh, it's not open yet! Why did you do this?
Hey, tell someone who cares. Okay, I'm gonna leave you open that window because if I go in there, it's just upsetting them.
Yeah, okay, get out of the way.
This window's open. Try not to break the screen if we can avoid it.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
See you later. Okay, let's close this window maybe, eh?
Yeah.
And maybe close that door. Okay, close that door.
This door?
Yeah. So that's not really clear.
Okay, I gotta move some shit there. I really wish I had a GoPro mounted on my head. That'd be so much better. Okay. That back window we can open.
Oh,
The back
God.
one up there.
You want to go back there?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay, hold on. I don't want to stir them up though. Yeah, go ahead.
All right, just stay away from me.
There, I got rid of another one.
Nice. Oh, we need the tarp. Oh,
That's fine.
yes, yes. Yeah, go out that window.
I'm gonna boost them up.
Okay.
Lily is boosted. There he goes.
Nice. Close that window. Oh no, we gotta scare the ones upstairs.
There's still one holed up there.
Ah,
How many did we get rid of already?
I don't know.
Come on, buddy. It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you. Not gonna hurt you. No. There he goes. No, don't. Get out of there, fart knocker. Oh, poor thing. Get. Come on, no. He's stressed to max. Let's leave him.
Okay.
Let's leave him. Oh. There's another guy trying to get in or up there?
Yeah, trying to get in.
Okay, that's fine. He can try.
Oh, this floor is mildly sketchy.
Alright, so we did it. They have been evicted. All the holes are covered. The only thing is there was a little area in the attic where a couple of them were running up to when we were taking them out. So we lost them in one of the little side attics, which is a little bit discouraging because now we know that's another area that needs to be properly cleaned and taken care of and that kind of thing. So yeah, here we are. They're gone, and we'll come back in and swap the last couple out after boarding up that attic, and now we've just got a really big mess to clean up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and just stay tuned for part 3.